So for this tutorial, I figured we take the most complex one that I have on the thumbnail and we'll do that. You can just do the simple part or the go fancy like I did. So the first thing, of course, we're going to need some text. So we're going to grab a text box and I'm going to put happy, and then I'm going to get another text box. I'm just going to duplicate that and double click on it and say birthday. So the first font I want to change is something kind of, let's see, what did I use? Something kind of girly. It was, oh, it's not there. It's one of my alpha things. So let's go down and find, I think it's alpha. It's all very, very cursive-y right here. Amsterdam, I think it's 3. That's what I used for happy. And birthday was impact, I do believe. Let's see, impact. So that was my happy and my birthday. So I want these to be pink because I am girly girly. So let's get pink here and pink for this one. We'll do pink and pink. And those are the two colors that I want to use for my happy birthday. So there's 2 ways you can do these. If you're going to keep a solid background, all you're going to have to do is take the word that you kind of want to overlap this and just go into effects, easy peasy, go to outline, make the outline color of your background, the color of your background, and how thick you want to do it. So we'll change that thickness. Oh, we need to change the position and put that one on top. Like so, and then you're going to go and put your word wherever you want to put your word. And then that's just how simple that is. I'm going to make birthday bigger. I like doing the little one on the side. I turn it sideways, like so, at 90 degrees, and then I reduced it down. Now, the other thing I did, just to kind of make it a little more fancy, would be step 2. Now, a lot of people with these will put them down at the bottom. So another thing you can do is like you have your secondary word this way, down here. So you'll have your main word and maybe a secondary word down here. Like I did on the thumbnail, I had my name and my last name down here. But we're going back to the happy birthday one. Let's play with happy birthday again. So we'll go here. I have my white. I'm going to place that. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go into elements and I grab these candles. So what I did was go in here. I went into duotone and you're going to make them the color of your background. So if I'm going to have a white background, I am going to go into custom. I'm going to change that first one all the way up in the corner to make it all F's right here to make that pure white. So I'm going to do that same up here and make it pure white. So now what I want to do is just lace my candles in wherever you want your candles. You can put them on every single one if you want to. You can put it down. You can skip a few. Let's put one here. Let's put one long in the H. You can do one. Let's do it all on like those. Anything curved, let's not do one. How about that? And then one here. And you can do something like that. And then once you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to download it. We're going to download it. We're going to make it a PNG. I'm going to download a page 2 since there's 2 pages. Done. Download. I'm going to add a page. I'm going to change the background color so we can see. I want to make that black. I'm going to bring it back in like so. And then once it uploads, I'm going to remove the background. And now you can do this and put it on anything in any color if you want to do, like, say you want a gradient background. So you can just do a gradient back there or anything like that once you do that kind of stuff. But we're going to go back to black because I want to do the little candles. So the way I did the candles was, let's look at my recently used. I grabbed, this is a Pro Element Gold Glow. They might have some free ones. I would just grab something that glows. And then what I did was kind of just like, I kind of cut them down a little bit. So I wanted the glow to come out on that side. And then I duplicated it in every other one. I put it with the glow coming out on that side to the right. So I did the glow on this one to the right. And then I duplicated it. And then what I did is change the direction of my glow. So I opened that back up and I cropped it to the other side. And then I had my glow on the other ones the opposite way, if that makes sense. So, oh, you're going way over there, buddy. So I did that and I duplicated that and then I put that there. So once I had those in the position I wanted to, I'll go in a position. My first one is highlighted. I'm going to go down to my last one. I'm going to hold my shift key and then click on it. It'll highlight all of those. And then I'm going to drag it behind my happy birthday. And that gives you that little candle effect. And you can just move your little dots around if you think they look like they're kind of, and you want a little more, you want that being more fiery. Or if you just want the glow all together and you don't want to kind of have that haze, you can just crop that in. So all you have is the little glow on the top part there. But that's just a design decision that you can make on your own. And that is just how easy to do one of those are. Easy peasy. And you know me, I had to go a little overboard with adding the candles just to make it look cuter because I do weird stuff like that. But I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope you learned a little bit today. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.